Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a VW Jetta trunk latch. First, let's diagnose the problem. Often, a trunk latch issue stems from a simple electrical fault or a mechanical obstruction. Begin by checking the wiring harness for any signs of fraying or disconnection. Then, visually inspect the latch itself for debris or misalignment. Understanding the root cause is the first step to a successful repair, saving you time and effort. Once you've identified the issue, many problems can be resolved with basic adjustments. Try applying a silicone-based lubricant to the latch components to ensure smooth operation. Sometimes, simply adjusting the striker plate can fix alignment issues, allowing the latch to engage correctly. Don't forget to test both your interior release button and key fob to confirm the repair is effective. For more persistent problems, replacing the entire latch assembly might be necessary. Always disconnect your car's battery before beginning any electrical work for safety. Carefully remove the trunk's interior liner to expose the latch mechanism and its wiring. Install the new latch, making sure all electrical connectors are firmly attached and the mounting bolts are tightened to specification. This ensures a reliable and lasting repair. After completing the repair, it's crucial to perform a thorough final check. Open and close the trunk multiple times to ensure the latch engages smoothly and securely every time. Listen for any unusual noises and confirm there are no gaps when the trunk is closed. Regular lubrication can prevent future issues, keeping your Jetta's trunk functioning perfectly. Also, for great deals and that awesome sock link, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.